go. Alright, I gotta hurry because I'm about to get a haircut. Alright, what's the next one? Oh, you're supposed to flip it up like that. Alright. Now take this and I'm gonna put that right there. And put this right here. And then, oh yeah, it spins, alright. What am I gonna do next? Oh, alright. So, oh yeah, part 2 of building a Lego thing. So, alright, so what do I gotta do now? Why do you have to put that on top? It's weird. Alright, so now that's all you have to do. And then you take 2 of these. Wait, what? Oh, so then you gotta make them longer for some reason. Alright, that's cool. I don't know why you gotta do that. Maybe to cover up the white, but like, I don't think you have to extend it. Alright, I'll do it. And then you're done. So, now, what if I gotta cut the camera real quick? 16 minutes left. Alright, okay, wait, what is this? Dang it, I thought I finished the whole instruction thing. Then I came back in, and then I realized I still had 4. Alright, this... So you gotta do that, and then... that. Bruh. Alright. Alright, then do another one. There, alright. Got that finished. Why is that not placed in right? Alright. Alright, go. Why aren't you? Where'd you go then? Alright. Okay, I got that still. Alright, that's gonna be easy. Alright, that. What's the next one? Oh, there's the helipad. Alright. Helipad. Alright, it goes on the third one. This one goes on the third one too. So I got the helipad done. No, not close to done. Wait, oh, it's just supposed to go on this side. Right now, got that. Oh, a ladder. Alright. Uh-oh. Alright. There. And I'm done with this bag. Alright, now I just gotta put this over here. Right now, I'm gonna put in this bag quickly because I'm almost finished, but not finished. So, right there. Alright. Oh, I gotta open the bag first. Alright, through it. There, I don't care about that. Alright, so alright, let's get this over with. So alright. Alright, that's done. Frick. Alright, got her done. Wait, I gotta build the gun now. Gosh. It's in this little bag, and I gotta open it. Oh, it's against the phone. Alright. These used to be green. I don't know what happened to the green. But oh, it's supposed to go around here. Alright. That's done. Now I'll put it in her hand. Alright. She's done. So I'm gonna do that. And what's the next page? Oh, alright. I don't know how that came connected. But right here. Alright, I'll put that right here. And then put this right here. And then right here. And then what? Okay. Put it right here. Why is it bent a little bit? Oh no, that's just the paper. Alright. Then put some right here where it's in the middle. And get this, put it right here. Come on. Right there. Alright. Put two of these things against some. Alright. I still got so much to do. Gosh, yes, we're doing a lot of progress here. I just gotta put this on. Alright, now the plan on. And a lot of progress. Alright, now put that on. I already almost got it done. I mean, come on. Alright, hold up. Alright, got more minutes because I told my mom that I still got a little bit of the bag left. Alright. What's the next page? And alright. Right. Done with that. Why in the heck is there phones? Oh, I need one of these. Right. Alright, now get that right on top of this. Alright. Alright, now I need that. What's that? Alright, this. Oh, I don't need that, I need this. Alright. Put that right here. Oh, dang, my hand still smells like money. Ooh, that almost fell. I almost lost an extra piece, but I didn't need it anyway, so I wouldn't have cared. Well, if I would have needed it, then I would have cared. And how many things are you gonna add to this? Like, oh, there's too many things on it. This is the progress I've done. Done a lot. Right. That. Alright, now I need this. Put it right here. Alright. Then what am I gonna do with this? Alright, so I got this thing. But now you put it right here. Alright. It's taller than the camera now. This is what I've gotten so far. Pretty cool. Alright. Pretty cool to go on. Alright, so now I just need this. Don't do anything with them, it just tells you to get them. Alright. Put that on. Dang. Alright. I got that on. Alright. What the heck is there grass or just green stuff on top of the gates? I know probably the design of them, but I need to stop talking. I'm talking too much. I need to concentrate. Skipped a lot of pages. Alright, now I got this. Another one. Alright, now I need to put these on the back of them. You're probably not enjoying this because I'm just talking a lot. I've done one of these before. Well, no, but I haven't. I think this is my first one, but you know, it's probably boring. But like all the other YouTubers are doing it, so I decided to do it. That's probably not gonna get a lot of views because, you know, some reason other people get a lot of views, but these haters don't like my videos. So I'm saying that this is only gonna get like 2 views, and then it's just gonna stop getting views. Like my Geometry Dash thing, every other people's playing Geometry Dash and getting like millions of views. I only got 71 views on all the games. And now they're probably curious to see all the games. So I just don't like the people that don't give views on my channel. Like, cause I want views. I don't work for just no one to give me views. So, what do I do now? Oh, I put it right here. And put another one right here. Right, I got it. It's all the progress I've gotten. It's pretty cool. Right now, what do I do now? Get this. Wait, where's that? Oh. And this. And put that right there. Then I'll put this right here. Then where does this go? Oh, we're getting to these wire thingies. Alright, we're getting to the ending parts, because it's about to end when we get to these. Look how wiggly it is. Word. What was that? Oh, our door's just open randomly sometimes because of the air, so that's probably what it is, because the air just turned on. That's why our doors are so light, man. So light. Right. go. We got the fence done. Now, it's so, I get mad at this because it's only like that and that. Like, it just tells me what to do. Like, and I get annoyed by that because I'm OCD as heck. So, I'm gonna get mad if something doesn't appear on the other side. Maybe it's supposed to look broken, but oh my god, you're not done. Oh, come on, man. I don't like stuff like that. High voltage. Alright. Oh no. Is it on the second? Yeah, it's on the second one. Alright. Put that in. Alright. Now I got this. So, I mean, I got that T-Rex done. Oh, alright. So, this is all. Just this. Alright, now let's see. Oh, and then you set it up. I'm gonna set it up. Where's the helipad go? Oh, it goes here. Alright. Should probably put him in here. Wait, where's the thing at? Didn't I put a steering wheel in here? Hold on. Isn't there a steering wheel? There must not be then. Because I thought there was a steering wheel. But I guess not, so. It is what it is. Alright. Set it up. Alright. I don't know where to put this at, so I'm just gonna put it right here. How do you make her stand up? Alright, I'm gonna here's a final look of it. Here it is. This is my Lego set. Bye-bye.